Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I've never done a sit down get ready with me video, but I really wanted to do one, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start by moisturizing my face. I'm gonna use a Mary Kay moisturizer. I always use the oil skin moisturizer, but lately I've been using the normal skin moisturizer. Honestly, I don't know why my face has been very dry. So there's a lot of makeup that I need to show you guys, a lot of new makeup. I need to do like a haul or something. And sorry for my voice, I'm a little bit sick. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using this angle brush by BH Cosmetics. It doesn't have a name, it just says number 10. And it is from this little brush set. Okay, so for my brows, I really want to try the Anastasia brow pencil, but for now I have the defined eyebrow kit. This one is from, I believe it was Marshall's. I'm finding ways to do my eyebrows because I honestly don't know how to do my eyebrows. I just fill them in, and that's pretty much what I do. I feel like I need better lighting so you guys can actually see what's going on here, because these two are not matching, not even sisters, they're like cousins. Now that I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm gonna be using this oil mattifier. There we go. After my eyebrows, I use concealer on my eyelids so I can start doing my eyeshadow. I'm gonna start with my eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using this palette, the Cute AF Color Pop. Let's just zoom in. This is so uncomfortable. Okay, I think I'm gonna start with this color right here. It is called Cheval. Is that how you pronounce it? Cheval? Cheval. Cheval. I honestly have no idea. But okay, let me just show you the name. Cheval, something like that. Can you see that? No idea if you can see that at all. Okay, so now it's for Morphe and it's like this. I'm gonna be using this one right here, and that one is called Butter Cake. Am I? Yeah, Butter Cake. Ooh. This brush is a little bit hard. This one is also from Morphe, without a name. It's kind of the same, but it's angled. Kind of angled. Now, so I'm going to take a smaller eyeshadow brush. I'm going to be using a little bit of this dark one right here. It's called Mischief, I believe. I'm so bad with names, guys. Or maybe I'm just bad at English. Who knows? Now I'm gonna take that brownish Mischief, I believe it's called, and I'm gonna use it on my outer corner. We're almost there. Oh my god, let's try to use like a metallic color. Maybe this one. Ooh, yes. So now I'm gonna use this one right here. It's called Full Zip. Let's use this one, just like a flat. People sometimes use it for concealer, other people use it for eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using it for eyeshadow today. I'm so excited. Whew. Okay, so let's see how it looks. Bam! You cannot see that. That's what's going on with this lighting. Oh my god. Look at that. I love this. Focus, people, focus. Hey. Well, apparently I don't have eyeliner.
Maybe my mom has eyeliner. Let me go see. And I need to write that down. I need to buy eyeliner. Oh god. Be right back, people. Be right back.
Okay, so my mom has eyeliner. Never tried this one. It's from Zone. Okay, so now I'm gonna be doing my foundation. For foundation, I'm using a Mary Kate foundation. Also for normal skin, we have the oily skin. That's a difference. The purple one is for oily skin and the pink one is for normal skin. But like I told you recently, my skin feels so dry, so I'm using the normal one and it works just fine. A lot of people do this differently. I do it not sanitary at all. Because what I do is I just start dabbing little dots. I know this is a weird way to do it and this is not sanitary at all. Okay, so let's talk about my YouTube channel since we're here. I made a video like a month ago explaining why I wasn't doing videos and I haven't uploaded that video yet. For a lot of reasons. First of all, I don't have internet in my house. It will be the easiest way. I do have internet at my grandma's house, but I haven't had like the time. I work at 1 p.m. I normally get up like at 8, slow as a zombie. I just do whatever I need to do. Then I start doing my makeup slow as a zombie because I'm so tired. And then I actually spend like an hour doing my makeup in the morning. I mean, if I have the time to do it, I'm gonna take the full hour. And I just chill and watch videos as I do my makeup. I can actually do my makeup pretty quick, so I haven't uploaded that. There is just clips of me explaining what have I done, that I have a new job, I have a new car, and I showed clips after Maria when we got out after the hurricane that we went driving around to see what was going on. I showed some clips and also clips of the actual hurricane. I'm gonna be uploading that soon. I know I'm gonna be uploading this video first. Okay. So, now that our foundation is done, I'm gonna use the Mary Kate translucent powder. Guys, I'm not sponsored by Mary Kate. I know I use a lot of Mary Kate products. It's just that I sell Mary Kate, so I got like a lot of the products. But it's just that I sell Mary Kate. Anyway, I'm gonna use this translucent powder from Mary Kate. What brush I'm gonna use? I'm gonna use a flat brush. I pretend like I know what I'm doing. When I do the videos with just music and I'm not talking, I'm like, yeah. I pretend, but actually I don't know what I'm doing, so maybe all of this is wrong. But I mean, I don't think there's like a right way to do makeup. You just do what works for you. And this doesn't work for me, but it's what I do. So every day I am learning new things, and I need to keep learning. So I got this Pro Contour palette. It looks a lot like the Kat Von D. I actually want to buy the Kat Von D's one, but I'm gonna use this one because it's the one that I have right now. I'm gonna be using this, the one in the middle. Okay, so let's see if I can use highlighter today. I don't know which one to use. I think I'm gonna use this one right here because it's like the most normal highlight color.
See, let's see what I can do with this. Oh my god, so much glare. It looks like a unicorn. Am I doing something?
I have like a big nose, but I don't know how to contour my nose, so I'm just gonna leave it like that and put some highlighter.
Shiny, na 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 na. Make me look shiny.
Okay, so I never use blush, but I feel like I need to use blush.
I know I bought something with blush. Oh, this is from BH Cosmetics.
I think I'm gonna use the third one, like the one in the middle. Ding! Oh, my lips and mascara. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use a lip liner, the one I got from ColourPop. It is this color. I think it's called, yeah, it's called Oh Snap. I don't use a lot of mascara. I think I'm gonna use a little bit of the brown color on my lower lash. This one right here is called Mischief.
Not a lie, because we don't want to look crazy. We don't want to look like a raccoon at the end of the day.
Let's go outside to see how I look. Or I can just stand here. Ooh. Actually, it actually doesn't look that bad. I feel like it's actually really cute. I actually love how it turned out. I need to work on my highlighting skills, but I mean, it looks pretty cute. It's not that bad. Okay guys, I'm gonna be finishing this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, this looks disgusting. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Bye!